Hello students, welcome to Extreme Telugu YouTube channel. I am Gayatri. In previous video you have seen different properties which hold good for rational numbers. Today we'll continue with the properties. We discuss about distributive property today over addition and subtraction. If you like this video, please like it and share it among your friends, and do subscribe to Extreme Telugu YouTube channel. There is a bell icon near the subscription button. Please press it to get the notifications. We'll continue with the distributive property. Till now, all the properties which we have learned, they had only one operation in that, either addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. But coming to the distributive property, it involves two operations. One is multiplication, which is common, and the second one is either addition or subtraction. So we call it as distributive property of rational numbers over addition, distributive property of rational numbers over subtraction, or we can also call it distributive property of multiplication over addition, distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Okay, let's see now. The property looks like this. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Okay, so we have LHS and RHS for this property too. Okay, so here we call it as distributive property of multiplication over addition. So why do we call it as distributive property? So here if you see, A is multiplied with both B and C which are in the brackets. Now this A along with the multiplication is distributed among these both terms. So it actually says that when you have something in the bracket, some numbers in the bracket, and you have a number outside, this outside number belongs to the each and every number in the bracket. So this A multiplied belongs to B and C which are in the brackets. Similarly, if there is any common thing in two brackets, or if there is a common thing in two terms, then you can take it as a common like this outside and make it as a short form. So it applies in both the forms. Now let us take LHS and RHS and find out whether this distributive property of multiplication over addition applies for these rational numbers or not. Okay, let's take three fractions. These are the three fractions I am taking up for proving this distributive property. Let's take LHS. A into B plus C. Now we go with default. We'll take it as A, this as B, and this as C. Okay, so minus 1 by 4 multiplied by minus 3 by 8 plus 1 by 6. So minus 1 by 4 into, now this into between bracket and this number is optional. If you're very much confident, then you can simply write like this, A into B plus C. You can avoid this multiplication sign in between. But if you feel that I should write this multiplication sign, then only I'll have a clarity, then you can write this. Okay, now minus 1 by 4 will take LCM of 8 and 6. Okay, for your understanding, I'm doing it over here in the rough column. So 2 4s and 2 3s, again 2 2s and 2 3s. So we have 8 3s, 24 is the LCM. So minus 3 into 3, because 8 3s 24, so both numerator and denominator gets multiplied with 3 plus. Now 6 becomes 24 when you multiply it with 4. Like this. So what do we have here? Minus 1 by 4 into minus 9 plus 4 by 24. Minus 1 by 4 into, now minus 9 plus 4 gives us minus 5. Minus 5 by 24. So minus of minus gives us plus, so it becomes positive. 1 5s is 5. 4 24s is 96. You may think that 4 and 24 gets cancelled. We can't cancel 24 with 4 because these both are denominators. They are not numerator and denominator. And as you know, numerators cannot be cancelled, denominators cannot be cancelled. Numerator, denominator combination can be cancelled. Okay, so we got LHS as 5 by 96. Let's write it over here so that we can cross check with our RHS. So RHS we have A into B plus A into C. So minus 1 by 4 into minus 3 by 8 plus minus 1 by 4 into 1 by 6. Now minus into minus gives us plus. 1 3s is 3 by 4 8s 32. Now plus minus 1 into 1 minus 1 by 4 6 24. So plus of minus gives us minus. So we get it as 3 by 32 minus 1 by 24. This is how we get the fractions. Now we need to subtract these both fractions. So 32 and 24, two different denominators. We take LCM over here. 32 and 24. Since both are even numbers, we take 2 as LCM. Common factor. 2 16s, 2 12s. 2 8s, 2 6. 2 4s, 2 3s, 2 2s and 2 3s. So we have 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8, 2 2s 4, 4 3s 12, 12 8s is 96. So we have 96 as our LCM. So 32 becomes 96 when you multiply it with 3. So both the numbers here should be multiplied with 3. So 3 into 3 by 32 into 3 minus 24 becomes 96 when you multiply it with 4. So 24 into 4 and the numerator also into 4. Now we have here 9 by 96 minus 4 by 96. I think by looking at this step you can say what could be our answer. 5 by 96. If you observe, our LHS was also 5 by 96. Now our RHS is also 5 by 96. So with this we can conclude that LHS is equals to RHS. That means distributive property of multiplication over addition is true for rational numbers. Right? So with the same set of rational numbers, we try for distributive property of multiplication over subtraction, and let's try whether it holds good or whether it is true for rational numbers or not. A into B minus C. This is the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. A into B minus A into C. This is what we're going to have. We start with the same step with LHS. A into B minus C. A into, what is B we have? Minus 3 by 8 minus 1 by 6. See, I forgot to substitute A value over here. It's minus 1 by 4. So first we subtract these both, or because both are negative rational numbers, we can add those both. Minus 1 by 4 into 8 and 6. Already we have done LCM for 8 and 6. We got it as 24. So 8 becomes 24 when you multiply it with 3. So minus 3 into 3 minus 6 becomes 24 with 4. So this is how we get it. Minus 1 by 4 into, we get minus 9 minus 4 by 24. So minus 9 minus 4 becomes minus 13. So we get it as minus 1 by 4 into minus 13 by 24. So what do we get? Minus of minus plus, and 13 by 4 24s is 96. As usual, we record our answer here. 13 by 96. We check with our RHS part also. A into B minus A into C. So minus 1 by 4 into minus 3 by 8 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 into minus 1 by 6. Minus of minus becomes plus. This becomes 3 by 32. Minus of minus 1 by 24. Don't you feel like deja vu? We have similar kind of fractions in the distributive property of multiplication over addition. Minus of minus gives us plus, which is 1 by 24. Now again for 32 and 24 we have taken LCM here, which we got it as 96. So always rough column will help you not to repeat the same work and also gives you a clarity what number you got as an answer. Okay, so it's a very good habit to maintain a rough column on a side of your right side of your page. So 32 becomes 96 by multiplying with 3. 24 becomes 96 by multiplying with 4. 1 into 4. Now we get it as 9 by 96 plus 4 by 96. So the answer is 13 by 96, which also matched with our LHS answer. So again we can say that therefore LHS is equals to RHS. With this we can conclude that the distributive property over multiplication of addition and subtraction both are true for rational numbers. So you can solve it with different set of rational numbers also, and you can check it whether they are true or not. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends, and subscribe to Extreme Telugu YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you.